Good morning, Miss Neville's science and math students and their parents. Today's check-in is specific for parents, but let's get some housekeeping stuff out of the way first. Just a reminder that our math class will begin today at 11:12. You want to make sure you have both assignments done so that you can be placed in the appropriate small group for extra help. And science class will begin today for my first period at 12:28 and its second period at 1:06. I look forward to seeing all of my babies today. Now, parents, a lot of you are sending emails to me asking for extra credit opportunities or extra attempts on assignments. It's important for you to know that I usually don't do either of those things, but your student gets plenty of attempts or plenty of opportunities to really show us their learning and their mastery. Here's one tip I would give you to ensure your child's success in virtual science. Are you checking to make sure that they are actually trying on the assignments or just getting them done? I'm finding that a lot of my students who are failing but have all of their assignments turned in are just completing assignments like a checklist. And that's not really how virtual school works. If they're unable to attend a live session, all sessions are recorded or pre-recorded and uploaded to my YouTube channel. Parents, it may also be wise for you to be a member of my Remind so you can get up-to-date messages about what your child needs to be turning in, what projects or tests are coming up as well. Parents, it's also important for you to have a working email address. If you need something from me, and I need to get in contact with you, my first line of defense will be by email. A lot of times, because if you guys are like my parents were, you're working during the day, and I really don't want to disturb you during your work day. Okay, so always check your email from Miss Neville for any correspondences regarding your child's performance in science or math. Please, I am always available if you need me. You can contact me through Remind. I also have my cell phone number on the bottom of all of my emails that I send to you. Please check there as well. Or you can just email me. Have an amazing Tuesday, guys. See everyone soon. Bye.